My very important customer, this is Oscar from Sovmiku Security Camera Company. Today I'm going to show you how to set up this FCG6 smart bird feeder with camera. This little camera connects to your mobile phone. Step number 1, you need to hit this power button for 6 seconds and this camera will be turned on. And this camera is turned on. And double click this power button, 1, 2, and this camera will be reset. After you have reset your camera, you have to go to the Google Play or App Store, download the Vico Home app. Go to the app Google Play and search the Vico Home, VICOHOME. I already downloaded it, so I click open. Go to the top right corner, there is an add button, click the add a new device. I hear the song, next stop. It will search your nearby camera. So, and slap your Wi-Fi to connect. Yes, and my Wi-Fi is SMT. Password is 001593570. Just input your home Wi-Fi password. That's it. And next, confirm. And now your camera already connects to your mobile phone. You can view the live video on your mobile phone. That's it. Today I'm going to show you how to install the FCG6 smart bird feeder with camera. Step number 1, you need to install this metal mount on your tree. After you screw this mount, you can install this bird feeder like this and these things. After that, you can install this camera. Important things, you have to remove this plastic. You can have this screw to tie the camera. After that, you have a solar panel. Install this solar panel like this. This is a solar panel plus. Just connect this solar panel to the. Remove this little cover and remove it. Connect it. That's it. You can install this camera solar panel. Use these screws. That's it. If there are any other questions, please email us at sovmiku@163.com. We will respond to you within 12 hours. Distraction is very important to us. Enjoying your camera. And if you're satisfied with your camera, please send me a 5-star review with 3 pictures or 1 video on Amazon. After that, send me a screenshot of the video. I will send you a free camera or $25 or 64GB SD card. Please email me your mailing address. After that, I will send you the SD card.